Hello friends, welcome to Let's Learn Pro. In this video I will talk about Express.js, which is nothing but a framework of Node.js. So this is used to build APIs and web applications. So this is very fast, that's why we are using it in our application. So I will let you know how to install it and how to use basic commands in this video. So watch the full video to know it. So let me start. So what I will do is I will install it npm I okay express. So if you write this command, express will be installed in your current directory. Okay, I already have installed, but I am showing you how to install it and use it. So this has been already installed right now. Okay, so I will create one identifier express. Okay, and require express. Okay, so I have imported this module express. Now I will create one more identifier called app is equal to. So there is one function in this module express. So I will get that, and now what I have to do is I have to send something on my web application. Okay, so so first argument will be in the default URL. Okay, and next will be your callback function. Okay, so it consists of two parameters, request and response. Okay, so what I will do is I will send something on my web application. Okay, so response dot send whatever you want to send, hello express. Okay, and we have to start on some port. So you can assign any empty port right now. So I will app dot listen. Okay, suppose I am giving this port number 3000. Okay, and if I save it and if I run this, so if you go to localhost and colon then port number, then you can see whatever you have sent to the web application. So on default page you saw how to send data, and if suppose there is some another web page like slash something, then how can you send data to that? So I will show you. So I'm copying this and I'm pasting here. So whatever is your default URL, and suppose any sub page is there, like about is there. Okay, so slash about, and whatever you want to print, this is my about page. Okay, if I save it and I have to restart my server again. Okay, so if I restart it, so this is my default page slash about. If we do and see, this is my about page. I will show you here. So whatever is your sub page, you can provide the first argument, and whatever you want to return to that application, you can return that. Okay, so like this you can use Express.js. In next video I will show you more about Express. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.